my part of the grammar is about the consonant and the non-consonant. As you know about this, it's really, maybe sometimes it looks like easy, but sometimes I feel like really hard to understand which part I have to use, that consonant or non-consonant. So I choose this one because I want to share my feeling about this with you. So before start to my teaching, let's talk about this. Are there anyone who can explain about the consonant and non-consonant?
Anyone who what?
Anyone who can
Explain
about the consonant or non-consonant, whatever. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
Consonant should add s in the verbs, the nouns and the non-count is and uncount is like don't need to add s.
Yeah, exactly.
I think
Yeah.
another thing is you can use how many or how much to describe that thing.
Wow. I think you're better than me. Because I just want to simply focus on the common meaning about the consonant. Yeah, that what you say is also is one part of the consonant and non-consonant. But what I want to focus on today is just simply want to say what is non-count and what is count now. Do not think it seriously. Consonant consonant nouns are things which can you count it. That's all.
Simple.
Yeah. And non-count nouns are things
You
which
cannot count.
yeah, exactly. It's
Is this a
really
philosophy class or?
but it's true. It's that word. And but even though its meaning is really easy to understand, but sometimes it's really hard to which part is the non-count and which part is the consonant. So today I want to focus on this part. Let's begin with the beginner class. Okay. Someone can tell me about is it consonant or non-consonant?
Countable.
Countable.
Wow, why?
Because you can count the chairs,
Because you can.
right?
Yes, that's right. You got it. Okay, next one.
Come on.
So, can you count this chair's number?
Yeah, two.
Wow. Genius. Then, how about this?
Don't know what. You mean chairs or something?
Furniture.
What do you mean coat?
All of this on this
Furniture?
portrait. Yes,
No.
it's furniture. Can you count it?
No.
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 So it's not. It's a
So it's a what?
Uncountable.
Yeah.
Piece of cake.
uncountable.
Yes, because we cannot count the furniture. Okay. How about this?
there are many cars.
Yeah, there are many cars, definitely. So you think you can count this?
But it's difficult to count, I think.
Yeah.
You still can count.
You can
You
count
can
the
try.
cars, but what is this called when there are a lot of cars?
Mm.
Traffic. You can
Yes.
count the
So traffic is also non-countable. And now I will show you some little bit confused part of this. And is there any someone who can explain about that? And I will give you this.
Shit.
Ooh. Yummy. No, I just choose on the internet. Okay, it's chicken soup too, and there are a lot of things in the food. So, can you count this? But you can count this.
Chicken.
1, 2, 3. So question is, can you count this on this piece of things in here? And is there a
because of the shape. It's
Yeah.
irregular and someone is bigger and some is
Some
smaller.
pieces, yeah.
There
It's
is no point
irregular.
to count, you know.
Hmm.
You're gonna eat them anyway.
Is that because it's not the same?
Not the same.
Same shape?
Same shape. So, are there any people who can clearly explain why it was not non-countable? But yeah, I think you can do, but okay.
Does anybody want to try?
Just
Well,
like-
everybody's saying pieces,
Mhm.
so we can count pieces.
Yeah,
but if we're
pieces,
just
yeah.
talking about the chicken, can we count the chicken?
No.
No, why not?
Just
Because it's meat? What is that? What do you mean?
The shape of the meat is different, so we can't figure out how many is the meat in the soup.
She's right. Okay, you can choose one.
Oh, it's like, okay.
Everything is a different one. Okay, you got it. Okay. Next one.
Now you're hungry.
Yeah, just answer a question.
Okay. Let's think about the weather. Yeah, sometimes if you are in the raining, then can you count it the weather?
No.
What do you mean?
weather. I mean the rain or stone and like that when you,
Here's a stone.
yeah.
Okay.
Can you count it?
Count what?
Count what?
Count the
Rain.
weather. Rain.
Rain.
No.
No. Rain, rice,
Yeah, of course no.
snow. It's impossible.
Stone.
A stone can
Stone
count,
can
right?
be.
Stone?
A stone.
Stone.
No.
Okay.
Bringing it to ground.
Rainy. Rainy day.
Oh yeah, that's rainy. What? Rainy day.
Okay. As you know, rain is we cannot count it. But in this case, we can count the rain. Isn't it? Are you agree about?
Days.
Count the days, not the
Yes,
rain.
count days.
Yeah,
3
but-
days.
Yes, 3 days.
We can count days. but
3 rainy days.
not
3
rain.
rainy days. Oh, I think I already.
We should say we can count the days, but not the weather.
Wow. Yeah. So. It's not.
Try that, teacher.
Okay. Yeah, some people already say the region, so I think I have to change the pitch.
Wait, so what is your question though, Lee? What are you
Because
trying to get at?
yeah, it's if rain, it's about I'm the architecture, so in my point of view, the scale is important in this case. If rain is, say it's rain, and when I was in that event, then I cannot count these kind of things. But if we see it more far away from there, then we can count it. Am I correct? Because it's one of the events.
But the noun rain
Mm-hmm.
stays uncountable.
Still
Even if you're far away, you can count it because you can name it as an event. So then you can count events,
Yeah.
right? So you're right, the perspective changes the way we talk about it,
Yes, yes.
but we also use different nouns to talk about it. Because if we're in it, we use rain, here's some rain,
Mm.
right? But if we're away from it, then we can count it as an event, or as a day, or as an afternoon, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And why I choose this kind of question is I always confuse about it a lot. So maybe some of question, some of PhD is not perfect for teaching you, but I just want to share my house about this. So let's go to next question. Okay, I just want to focus on the C. So, if there anyone can explain about this, is it non-countable or countable, and if it is non-countable, why it is non-countable or countable?
What do you mean?
The
You
what
mean
sort of-
the country or the
No, I see sea,
Sea,
Ocean?
ocean.
the ocean.
Mhm.
No.
The water itself is uncountable.
Yeah, of
But
course.
the oceans, the nouns, can be countable because,
Because.
because they are nouns.
Because they have
Because I think that.
Because I need more word.
Mhm.
Because they have special name in
Because they are,
I don't know the name.
Yeah, you don't need to know about the name. Yeah, but you know the why we can count this. Because if something have a specific name, then we can count that. Am I right?
If something has a specific, like a proper name?
Yeah, for the
proper nouns you usually can't count because there's only one.
Yeah, but in this case we can count it. Maybe.
Indian Ocean,
For,
Yeah,
you
but
mean
those
like
are the oceans.
ocean?
Yeah, that's what he's
Yeah,
saying.
ocean.
So,
But the proper noun idea of it negates that. So you could, when they're generic,
Yeah.
they're oceans.
Yes.
But there's only the Indian Ocean,
Mm.
the Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean can't be counted, but oceans can.
So
it can't be counted because there's only one of them, but it is one
Ocean.
ocean,
Mhm.
and that implies there are other oceans. So, yeah, you're right, if we treat it like
Yeah.
one of many.
Thank you.
But why not water?
Why not water?
Why not water?
Or,
Why can't water be counted?
Cause water.
Yeah, look it.
It's liquid.
There are no shape.
Okay.
Oh, is that question for me? Or?
But an ocean is liquid too, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, but
but
Treats.
Because water, they don't have shape, but the ocean has the exactly shape.
Shape?
yeah,
Shade.
kind of.
Mm. Yeah.
Really?
yeah, they have boundaries.
Yeah.
There are boundaries. But I mean, I want to know how can we count water? Cups, right?
Yeah,
You can use
cups.
other components that count them for you. Cups, glasses, bottles, drops when we're talking about rain. Right? But so like there are, which means that, you know, some count nouns and some actually non-count nouns have the same thing with furniture, right? Furniture is something we can't say, but there are individual pieces of furniture. Same as there are individual different kinds of shapes or containers of water. So it's interesting, those non-count nouns are like classes that have components
Yeah.
that are different.
Anyway, we can have one. Which one?
Oh, that's for me or for
That's for you.
Okay, I didn't know. I got that. I got that right. Anyone? Oh, no.
No? Okay, last question. It's terrifying movie, and I want to focus on the feeling, and I saw this. So, are there anyone can explain why it is countable or non-countable, and if so, why? I want to focus on the feeling.
Feeling
Mhm.
Feeling is
it's usually uncountable, right?
Mhm. That's true.
Because I will leave because to another person.
I think people's emotion cannot measure exactly this no count.
Yes. Not yet.
Are feelings always uncountable?
That's my point.
Why, because I just asked a question and I put an S, I said, are feelings, I made it plural.
Mhm.
Are
That's still my
feelings
point.
always uncountable?
when we describe the like types of the feeling, we can count it.
Yes, when you describe the different types, you can count it.
Oh, should already tell that.
Should I go ahead of you?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, but it's okay. So, Momo, can you tell me again clearly?
When we describe the types of feeling, we can count the feelings.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So what would be examples of feelings that you're talking about.
What I want to tell you is about the. It's almost same thing with the last time I told you about the rain. Is if I'm watching something on and that moment is we cannot count about the feeling, but if we finish that and we think about last time, how many time I watched that movie and how many time I feel something, then we can count this. Because I think it's also connected with the scale and event. If we are in the event, we cannot count this. But if we are not in the event, then we can count that. So